Hello everybody, welcome in this new tutorial. Today we're gonna discover together how to design a tennis racket with Surfacique tools. So let's begin together. We open wireframe and Surfacique design and we begin. We open XY plane and we start a new sketch. We draw an ellipse in the center. Okay, like this. Alright. Now we make dimensional constraint. Here we have 100. And here, the other side of the ellipse, we will make 300. Okay. And this one, 200. Okay. We exit the sketch and we select a new sketch in ZX plane. We draw ellipse. This is the ellipse. The first diameter is 20. The second semi-minor axis, we make it 10. The distance between the center of the ellipse and the center is 100. Alright. Now we show the first sketch and the second one. We choose 3. In the profile, we choose the second ellipse, and the grid curve we select the first sketch. This is our result. Like this. Perfect. Now we hide the first and the second sketch. Perfect. Alright. Now we start a new sketch in XY plane. We choose curve. This is line. And now we select an arc. This is the end point of the arc. Okay, now the dimensional constraint. The distance between the center and the first point, 10 this is the distance, vertical one, 275. The radius of the arc is 200. The distance between the last point of the arc and the center, the horizontal distance, is 55, and the vertical one is 125. Now we create. This sketch is created. We will create a plane normal to the sketch at the last point, like you see. Okay, okay. We, we start a new sketch in this plane. We make it in center, like this. Alright. And we draw an ellipse in the center, in the coincident with the horizontal axis. Okay, great. Okay, the first diameter is 17.5. The second one is 10 millimeter. Now we select the center of the ellipse and the last point of the first sketch, and we make them coincidence, like you see, like this. Alright, the two sketches are ready, like you see. Now we select sweep, the first one and the second one, the profile and the guide curve, like this. Alright. Okay. Now we go to insert, operations, symmetry. We select the reference, which is ZX plane, ZY plane, and the element is the sweep one, the sweep operation. Okay. We click to OK. The second one is created now. Okay, that's right. Now we start a new sketch in plane 1 already created. The plane that's it already created. Okay, just we hide the other sketches. We let's zoom it. We change the other side. Okay, this is the side we need. I choose projection. The projection option, projection, and we select projection 3D element, and we select the two ellipses, like this. Now we draw two lines. The extremities of these lines are coincidence with the ellipses. .5. The same thing in the other line, 23.5. Coincidence also. Now we create a symmetry between the two lines and the horizontal axis. Okay, perfect. Now we delete these parts of the ellipse, parts that we don't need. Okay, perfect. Now this is our first sketch is ready. Now we create a plane parallel to ZX plane, and the offset is 425. We start a new sketch in this plane. Okay, we create ellipse in the center. The first diameter of the ellipse 45, and the second one, the second axis or diameter is 40 millimeter, like you see, like this. Perfect. Now we will create 4 points in the ellipse. Point, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the distance between the first point, the one of the point, and the vertical axis is 10 millimeter, 11.75. We make symmetry between the 2 points and the horizontal axis, and the other 2 points and the vertical axis, and the 2 points and the horizontal axis. So finally we make all the points are symmetric. That's it. Now we create multi-section surface. We select the first sketch and the second one in the first case, like this. Now we click to coupling. We click to display coupling curves. Now we select the first point in the first sketch and the second point in the second sketch. The same thing to the 4 points. We click here and we click add coupling. We can click add. We gonna make couples of points. That's it. We're gonna add the third couple. Okay, just I want to know, you have to select the first point from the first sketch or the first section, and the second point from the second curve or sketch. You have to make the same order. Okay, now we will change the closing point. This is the right one. In the other sketch we haven't the right one. Replace it. We select replace closing point and we choose the point already selected, and this is our surface created, like this. Perfect. Okay, just we're gonna, like usually, hide the unneeded sketches. Okay, we're gonna then create another plane. Plane parallel to ZX plane, distance 550. Okay, and we start a new sketch. We're gonna draw in this new sketch a circle. Okay, with a diameter 45 or 50. 45, okay. That's perfect. Now, okay, the sketch is created. We choose blend surface. We select the first curve, the first support, the second curve. Okay, just it's not selected, the first one. Okay, and the second one is this is one. And we preview it. We choose OK. This is the second part of the racket is created. Just we have two other things to do before finishing our tennis racket. We hide the sketch created. Now we choose fill and we select this circle and we create OK. The same thing in the other part of the racket. Just we have to show the sketch. Just it's not this one. Okay, perfect. We choose fill and we select the sketch. We choose OK. Okay, we're gonna hide all the planes and the sketches that are not needed now. We're gonna hide the planes created. We have also sketches or axes. Okay, just let's zoom at this point, hide this point and the other point. This other point must be hide. Okay, perfect. Now we select 3D view and we make the racket in center. We choose hide and this is our racket is finished. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to put like and to subscribe to channel. Thank you and goodbye.